Okay, making sprite, new sprite, paint new sprite. We call it start button. Just pick a font color and we'll start, expand it, and it's always good if it's centered, so always good to center your buttons. Click off the center. Put a rectangle around it. Make sure it's not a filled in rectangle, but a rectangle line around it. And then fill it with a color. I'll choose light blue this time. You want to right click up here by pressing down and duplicate it. We've got costume 1, and now you can just use the bucket tool and use a different color. Okay, so now you have 2 costumes.